What is it that makes your heart sing? For me, it's using colorful African fabrics to create beautiful earrings. So, I wake in the morning and I thank God for the breath of life. And I find myself a safe space. I start meditating on the Word of God as I also reflect on the beautiful materials and the talent to create using my hands and some simple tools. And I start crafting mindfully. So, what is your passion? Do you like crafting, or perhaps you like painting, drawing, beading, or doing something different? Put your mind to it, whatever makes your heart sing, and know that all it takes is just start. Just start something, and you'll be surprised how God will use it to bless others. God bless you today. God bless you always.